Hi, my name is Bill Tibby. I'm the sales manager for Cincinnati Gearing Systems. My primary responsibilities are component gearing and contract machining. As far as the markets that we serve for component gearing are compressors, oil and gas, of course, power generation, wind energy, transportation on highway, off highway, mining, EV transmissions. At Cincinnati Gearing Systems, we produce a wide range of component gearing. We produce gearing from 1 inch in diameter up to 4 meters. Internal gearing, external gearing, shafts. We are a full service gear manufacturer, which means we provide basically every machining operation required to produce our component gearing.
I'm Alex Rye with Cincinnati Gearing Systems. I'm the plant manager of our Mariemont facility. Cincinnati Gear offers multiple processes from gear cutting, gear shaping, gear shaving, tooth grinding, OD/ID turning, OD/ID grinding. We can grind up to 4 meter gears.
Broaching, cut splines, ground splines. We produce spur and helical external gearing up to 158 inches in diameter. Internal spur and helical gearing up to 50 inches in diameter. We make shafts up to 120 inches in length, 40 inches in diameter.
Our milling department is capable of small, intricate work and large scale for such as the Navy, larger housings up to minimums of 3 feet, steel treating, through hardening, nitriding. Lately, in the past few years, we've been expanding and with updated machinery. We've purchased 3 lathes for our high volume and large turning areas. We've upgraded our large scale milling machines, and the maximum face width that we can now cut with our new Liebherr shaper is 8 inches. We recently purchased a 3 meter Gleason shecker since we can grind up to 4 meter gears.